Holistic living, what is it, and what are the benefits? A holistic approach means that all parts of you are connected. Living a holistic life is much easier than most people think. A holistic view of life comes down to healthy choices for both your body and your mind, and taking the time to focus on your health. A holistic life is a lifestyle and a way of thinking. The holistic approach has long been accepted as a way to improve our overall health, and even target some specific ailments. Many doctors will tell you that serious health problems, such as heart disease or kidney disease, can't be corrected through holistic practices. But there are many practitioners and patients who claim their health has improved dramatically by using the holistic approach. Some of the benefits of holistic living are improved overall physical health, sustained and balanced emotions, reduced levels of stress, depression, and anxiety, relief of chronic pain, boosted performance and productivity, enhanced understanding of our environment, communities, and the world as a whole, an improved desire for personal growth. By focusing on all of these points, we can start to slowly build a more sustainable, healthy lifestyle and step up to the life we deserve. Do you want to learn more about how you can live your life to the fullest and become the best version of yourself? Click the link in the description now. Thank you for watching.